Hey guys, welcome to another day in paradise. I am just getting ready for my next 3 dives as an advanced diver. I think we're only going to learn some navigation skills and just learn how to go deeper. We're going to 30 meters, which is 100 feet today, which is absolutely crazy, and I'm really excited. We're going to see a shipwreck, and then later tonight we have a night dive. So stay tuned, it's going to be really, really fun, and I hope to capture it all for you guys. The dive shop. Oh my gosh, I just got this big wave of exhaustion. It's been a very, very long day and a lot of diving today. I look like I got burnt, but we're about to go on the night dive, which would probably be really scary, but I'm really excited for it. I don't know how well the visibility will be or how well I'll be able to capture it for you guys, but I'm really, really excited to share with you guys what I experience.
And let's go diving! Woo!
Wow, that night dive was incredible. That was like an experience like none other. That was insane. We saw like lots of snappers, and we saw a few groupers trying to catch the fish at night. We were looking out for a squid and octopus, but we didn't see it, and I wasn't able to capture it, but we also saw a lot of the bioluminescence once we put our flashlights to our body. But that was really, really cool, and I highly suggest pushing yourself out of your comfort zone to do that, because it's a little scary at first, not knowing where you're going and just seeing what's in your flashlight, but it is incredible feeling. Alright, that is a wrap from 3 dives. A long, busy day today, so peace out and I'll see you tomorrow. Alright guys, back with another day of diving. It's my second to last day diving with Paradise. It's my last day of my advanced courses. I'm not really sure what we're going to be doing. I think we're going to be doing a deep dive first, meaning we go to 30 meters or 100 feet, and then the second dive today will be a buoyancy skills test, I think. I'm not really sure what that will inquire, but we'll see. I'm pretty good with my buoyancy so far, so I don't think I'll have any issues. but you never know. I woke up feeling like really dizzy this morning and really tired last night. I felt really fatigued after my dives yesterday, and I think it was just because I've done so many dives and I wasn't really eating yesterday, like because I was so busy. I didn't really eat anything nutritious, so I think that's what it was, because now I feel so much better after I ate a good breakfast that I was so worried it was going to be like some sickness from diving or whatever, and I was going to have to sit out and lose out on my advanced course money and everything. But no, I feel a lot better. But I'm going to get ready and suit up and go on our last advanced course diving today, and then I think either tomorrow or the next day we'll have our fun dives, and then I'll be leaving Utila. I've been here for like a week and a half, so it'll be bittersweet, but I still have some time left. It may be a little dark because I'm still charging my GoPro, but today is my last day scuba diving with Paradise Divers. I'm all qualified and everything for all the dives I have done. Now I get my 2 free fun dives for my advanced course, and I'm really excited because we're going to the north side of the island, which everybody raves about. I suppose the aquatic life is supposed to be like really nice there, but it should just be really good. And we're gonna do a drift dive, meaning instead of just dropping from the boat, going in a loop and coming back, the boat will drop us and pick us up in a different spot. So I'm really excited about that because I've always wanted to do that. It's bright and early right now. It's like 6:30 and the boat leaves at 7:30, so I'm trying to wake myself up and get excited, but it should be a really good time.
What we had become, defying our own emotion, pretending land was our own. We couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful.
Welcome to Black Coral Wall and my last dive with Paradise Divers in Utila.
It's time to tell where we should go, but how can I be sure? Can we change it? The truth about our common soul, to say we know it's real, something to put belief in. As soon as we saw the ocean, we knew what we had become, defying our own emotions, pretending land was our home. We couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful.
Hey guys, I am back and it was an amazing dive today. We saw so much aquatic life. I'm so happy that this happened to be my last dive. I'm exhausted from just like the past week and a half. I really hope that this helped you decide if you want to come to Utila or not, if it gave you lots of information about Paradise Divers. They're amazing. I totally recommend them, and I totally recommend just scuba diving in general and learning new things. But really guys, I had so much fun showing you guys and being able to film all the aquatic life and all the coral and stuff. This has been such a unique experience for me, and I'm so glad I've gotten to share it with you guys. I am leaving Utila tomorrow, so we're gonna party tonight and have fun because it's my last night and another girl's last night. And I am going off to a new country tomorrow. It's gonna be a long day of travel, but I'll see you guys when I'm in that new country.
Don't know if I was aware a piece was missing.